You are going to love the 2017 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, premium speakers, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.